Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the new profile details page and create a profile page that looks basically like this. Middle content in here. This is a student profile spotlight module, and these are some tabs that fall underneath it. So first, in order to create a new page over here, I need to open the parent page, which is content 3 sample in this case. I'll open the page, and now I can add edit navigation. I'm going to create and connect page, and I'm going to choose either profile details page with tabs or without tabs. If there's no tabs, you can still have text at the bottom. It just won't be in a tab format. In this case, I'm going to choose one with tabs. I will call it New Walter Test just for these purposes, and hit OK. And when the page closes, I can see New Walter Test is over here. I'll click into it, and now the page has loaded. So first thing you can do is add the name to the top. Let's open up the page. And the page is open. I'll name it Walter Jones. Not sure what his last name is. Hit OK. When the page loads, we can see it there. The next thing I want to do is open the profile details module, which is this piece, which is missing an image. At the moment, we're going to add that. I'm going to open the profile details module. And once it's here, I can edit most of the elements via form. There's also an optional link, which is right here, view all profiles. In this case, you can change the name of that and have it linked somewhere else, and you would do that with these two buttons. But for now, we're going to add a picture. Let me shrink this to a size that works. I'll choose the picture from the Asset Manager. Let me shrink this to a size that works. There's Walter. The ideal width and height is 494 by 308. But the most important thing, frankly, is the height, 308. 308. Click OK. That's in there. I can add an alt attribute. I also have four titles and text I can use. So the first one, I'll say title 1. This is text 1. Title 2, this is a label. I'll just call it label. Label 2, this is text 2 for label 2. And the other two, the bottom two, are optional. I'll leave them off for now. And when I'm done, I'll just hit OK. When the page loads, you can see that we have the start of our page. Now this before Wharton and after Wharton shows up because those are default settings, but if you don't add anything to them, when you do a page preview, they will not show up. So I'm going to go to Action, Page Preview. Bring it down here, and you can see that they did not show up there. That's only letting you know that there's some default text. Next thing we want to do is add the tab elements. So there's two tab elements that come with it. And if you don't want the tab element after you've chosen this page, it's okay. All you have to do is open the main page. Then you'd click on this Add Modules by clicking here. Probably should say Add or Remove Modules. And then you would choose to remove the tab module. In this case, we don't want to remove it. I'm just going to click on that to open it. And we have two tabs by default. Let's just call this guy tab 1. Page loads as tab 1. We'll call this guy tab 2. And you can put your content in here if you want. You can add other items, more containers, more modules inside this tab if you want. I would choose one of these to display first. We'll choose the first one to display by clicking on that guy. Now, just so you can see this working, I'll add a tiny bit of text. And then let's just click on the action menu and page preview again. And here is our profile page. I did not choose to add the link. All right, that's about it. If you have any questions, please contact Eric Greenberg or Eric Sowers in the communications office. Thanks.